Instagram messages not loading or sending. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So this is a new problem that Instagram is facing, that we are facing. So as you can see, if I try to refresh this page with my DMs, it's just not loading, and all my messages, all my chats has disappeared. So as you can see, I have no messages to this account. And if I go to my others account, to this one, let's say, as you can see, I have this message right here, which I sent to this account, but it's not sending, it's not working. And you have to know that this problem is global. You are not the only one who has it, and you don't have to worry about it because Instagram will solve this problem automatically. So you don't have to do anything. So if I go to my Play Store and search for Instagram, here as you can see, if I go to reviews, and then if I go to most recent, here as you can see, many people have this problem. This first account says that his DMs chat disappeared. What is going on? Message not working. Instagram not working. Recent messages are gone. So you are not the only one who has this problem, and you don't have to worry about it, guys. Instagram will solve this problem soon, I hope. And if you have this problem, you can comment down below in the comment section and tell us if it's working and tell us your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.